Welcome to our C programming class. Today's topic is C variable and data types. But today we just cover C variable. Variable are how we store and manage information inside a program. By the end of this session, you will know how to declare variable. What is variable? Well, now what is a variable? Let's understand what a variable actually is. In C, a variable is a named storage location in memory. Instead of dealing with a raw memory address, we give that location a name and use the name to store and retrieve data. Look at the example on this slide. Age equal 20. This is an integer variable. The keyword int tells reserved memory for a whole number. Here age stores the value 20. Price equal 99.50. This is a float variable. The keyword float reserves memory for decimal numbers. So price holds 99.50. Grade equal A. This is a char variable. The keyword char reserves memory for a single character. Here grade holds the letter A. So the key idea, every variable has a name, a data type and a value. The data type tells C how much memory to allocate and what kind of data we can put inside. The name let us access and update that value anytime in our program. Now declaring a variable in C. So now that we know what a variable is, let's look at how we actually create one in C. The syntax of declaring a variable is very simple. Data types and variable name. The data types tells the compiler what kind of data this variable will hold, whether it's an integer, a decimal, or a character. And the variable name is the identifier we will use to refer to it in our code. For example, int age declares the integer variable called age. Float price declares a floating point variable called price. Char grade declares a character variable called grade. Important rule to remember: number 1, every variable must have a data type declared before use. Number 2, the data types tells C how much memory to reserve. And 3, every declaration must end with a semicolon. Once declared, you can assign a value to the variable like age equal 20, or even to do in the one step int age equal 20. That's called initialization. So in short, declaration telling C I need memory for this data, and here's what type it is. Send. That variables are named storage location in memory, and that every variable in C must have a data type. We saw how to declare variable using the syntax data type, variable name, and how types like int, float, and char tell the compiler what kind of data store and how much memory to reserve. Understanding variable of C programming. Without them we cannot store and manipulate any idea. For practice, I want you to write a small program that declares there's 3 variables, one int, one float, and one char. Assign values to them and on the screen. That's it for today on variable. In our next class we will move on to the operation in C and data type, where we will learn how to perform calculation logic using these variables.